What's up, crypto community? It's your man, Mr. Solution. So in this episode, I'm going to be walking us through how to create multiple income streams through blockchain technology. All right. So some persons have been asking me, is it only through trading that they can make money from this space? The answer is no. So that's why I did this video, to guide you, to show you some proven ways or proven methods how you can make money from this space. All right, so top on the list here we have affiliate marketing. All right, affiliate marketing, for instance, let's say you are using TradingView. Okay, tradingview.com, it's one of the places where you can do your analysis. All right, and then you subscribe for the premium, maybe went for the paid version of it. You can share your link with people, you can share your link with other traders, tell them that they can sign up through your link, and if they sign up, you'll be giving some tips, you'll be giving some things. Okay, so that's what with affiliate marketing. It doesn't only end in TradingView. There are equally other crypto sites, other crypto websites, other crypto products that once you purchase it, okay, other crypto services that once you purchase it, you can share your link with people, they can sign up using your referral link, and then you have something. Okay, that's for the affiliate marketing. Okay, you can equally promote products. Okay, you can, like I said, like I gave the instance of the TradingView, you can equally promote other products, other cryptocurrency products on your site. Okay, like if you have a reasonable number of followers, maybe you are a blogger, you have a social media channel that has a good number of followers and people trust your judgment on some areas, okay, you can just come and share your referral link and tell them, okay, that if they purchase this product with your affiliate link, that you're going to get some commission. Okay, so that's one of the ways you can make money through cryptocurrencies. Okay, the next one is trading courses. Okay, you can, if you're good and you know what you're doing in the crypto space, you can organize some courses. You can maybe put up a trading course, and then so that anybody who is interested in learning what you're doing, anybody who wants to learn from you, the person can simply purchase your trading course. And then the beauty of this is that your margin is higher. Okay, there is a one-off thing, is a one-time thing. Once you do it, there is no need for you to start repeating it again. And then it has a higher upside. Like once you create the course, like I said earlier, there is no need for you to keep replicating it again. You can only, maybe you just want to make some adjustment and all that. Okay, and then there is no border. Okay, it's borderless. You can, anybody who is in any part of the country, using using your website or whichever means, whichever way, whichever method you are using to disseminate your information. Okay, anybody can contact you. It doesn't have to be region specific. Okay, it doesn't have to depend on people who are within your geographical area. Okay, but then the downside is that it requires some work. Okay, you have to put in enough work, such as setting the website, you have to develop the course. Okay, so these are the downsides to it. You have to put in enough work, you have to, developing a course is not an easy thing, the website and every other thing. But once you do that, once you're able to overcome that initial challenge, you can scale it up. Scaling up is very easy. All right, so the next one we have here is private mentorship and group coaching. All right, if you are good, like I said earlier, if you're good with this, if you're good with the trading thing, you know what you're doing, you can organize private coaching for people, you can do group coaching for people. Okay, people can come to you and say, oh, I want to learn from you. You can do the teaching and then you get paid for it. Okay, I do that. Actually, I do that. I do private coaching, I do private mentorship. Okay, I equally train some group of persons. Okay, so that's for the private coaching and mentorship. All right, but then the downside to this is that you might want to meet the person. Like the person who wants you to teach him or her might need a physical meeting. Okay, but then I don't think we still need we don't really have any reason to want to meet people before we can learn from them. Thanks to God for the internet. All right, and then the COVID-19 thing, it has actually kind of opened a wider horizon. It has made us understand that learning is now borderless. Like you don't really need the physical meeting. With Zoom, with Google Meet and other social apps, you can do your coaching, do your teaching, and then you get paid for it. So like I said, the downside is some persons might insist that they want to see, because there are some people that believe that they learn more when they are looking at the person who is teaching them. Okay, some don't believe in virtual learning. They believe that they assimilate more information when they are looking at you as you're talking about it. Okay, and then another another aspect of this private coaching or mentorship is that it has the problem of scalability. Like you can't scale it, and then you could even get tired. Imagine when you have to like mentor like 2-3 persons in a day. Before you finish it, we're so tired, and then it's a repetition of the same thing every time, every now and then, and boredom comes when you keep on repeating a particular thing. Okay, so it has the problem of scalability. Okay, and then the upside is that you have no issues with setting up the website. You don't have any problem. You don't need to set up the website before you can do the coaching, before you can do the teaching. Once, because it's a one-on-one class, maybe we'll just set your Zoom class or your Google Meet or whichever place it is you're using, even your WhatsApp. Okay, you could just use your WhatsApp to do the training and all that. Okay, so that's the positive side to it. And then we have advertisement. Okay, advertisement. This is for people who have a huge following on their social media channels. Okay, your website, maybe you have a website, you have a blog where, okay, you talk about things, you teach people things. You can just put up an advertisement. Okay, a crypto company, a crypto product might just come and say, please, I want you to advertise for me, just the same way they do it in secular blogs, the same way they do it in secular websites. Okay, people can just come and say, please, could you help us put up this product on your channel, or please, could you please talk about this thing, this product, okay, on your platform, and then you charge them for it. Could $1,500 or less, depending on, okay, the nature of the thing you're putting up for them. Okay, so this is just one of the ways how you can, okay, make multiple income streams through cryptocurrency. Okay, and now people can advertise on your channel. Okay, you don't even need any technology to do that. There is nothing like you don't need to maybe set up this, do that. There is really no knowledge. Even you can just talk about it, even without posting it. If for instance your YouTube channel, you can just talk about it and tell people about it. Maybe you could even do a review of that very product. Okay, because the more you're doing the review and people tend to trust your judgment, if people trust you very well, okay, they can go right ahead and make the purchase because you talked about it. All right, so and then the next one is community management. All right, this is for people who are mainly into cryptocurrencies. Okay, there are people we call community managers. For instance, a crypto company might, let me just take for instance, let's say Link. Okay, Chainlink. All right, they have a Telegram group, and then you could apply to work as one of their community managers, like answering questions from people have concerns, they have issues, they have complaints. You could just go right ahead and, okay, proffer solution to that. Okay, some of the persons that do that, they get paid. I once worked as a community manager for a crypto company. I wouldn't want to mention the name. All right, okay, so I was always getting paid every month. Okay, so it could be, doesn't matter, it could be $200, could be $100, and by the time you assemble it with other things you're doing, at the end of the month you'll be having enough money to go home with. Okay, so this is just one of the ways you can function properly, or you can, okay, expand your earning power in the crypto space. You could work as a community manager, answering questions from people, maybe directing them to whatever concerns, whatever issue it is you have, maybe telling them the right place to go, the right channel to go for them to get answers to their problems. Okay, and then you can equally play the role of an ambassador. Okay, you could take up ambassadorial positions. Ambassadors are kind of representatives of, let's say, as we have exchange like Binance, we have an exchange like FTX, we have exchange like KuCoin, we have an exchange like BitMEX. You could just work as ambassadors to those platforms, not just exchanges. You could equally work as ambassadors to crypto products. Okay, for instance, we have a friend of mine is actually an ambassador to Matic, MATIC. Matic is one of the coins in the crypto space. He is an ambassador to them. Okay, he talks about the product, whatever it is they are doing. He helps people kind of trying to bring people, trying to kind of make people to be very familiar with the product and all that. Okay, so that's the ambassadorial position. For instance, maybe you're an ambassador to an exchange like FTX. Okay, your job could be just to help to propagate the exchange, tell people about it, conduct trainings there, help people to familiarize themselves with the exchange, to understand how the exchange works. This is also one of the areas where you can earn money through the cryptocurrency space. Okay, it's not just one area. The thing is that whatever it is you are doing, make sure you're very good at it. as you are consistent in it, in one way or the other, you could get noticed, you could get connected, right? So the main thing there is consistency. All right, so thank you so much, guys. I know this, and I'm very certain that this is a very short video. I just did it to make people understand that you can earn money in this system in more ways than one. That there are many channels. The main thing is just for you to be good. There are equally other ways, other methods, like maybe, but that one is, these ones require a lot of technical know-how. For instance, if you're a developer, maybe, that kind of thing, you could actually work with a crypto company as one of their developers and all that. But these ones require high technical know-how. Maybe you're into business, you know how to develop business, and advise, all those kind of things. These are ways you can equally function in the cryptocurrency system, in the blockchain technology ecosystem, so as to expand your earning power. But these ones I didn't mention, they require a high technical know-how. But these very ones that I talked about, they don't really require a high technical know-how. Once you are able to know, you can write and read and answer questions, and just your basic knowledge, your common sense. Once you can put your common sense into use, you can function efficiently in all this. All right, so guys, thank you so much for coming to watch my video. I hope it's been educative enough. I hope it's been entertaining enough. And then if you have any concern, if you have any question, please reach me through any of my social media channels. I'm going to be dropping the link at the lower section of this video. You can connect with me on my Twitter handle at CryptoSolu. Connect with me on my Instagram account at CryptoSolu_. You can reach me on Telegram, Mr. Solution FTX. I actually have a trading group. It's like a channel, so to say. It's a channel, so to say, where I drop signal, I drop analysis, and then we look at coin setups, and then I encourage the traders who are there to also register. And then, as a matter of fact, I am only using FTX. My current trading platform is FTX. All right, so if you haven't joined us, I would encourage you also to make sure you sign up with my referral link, so that once you sign up there, you can join us in our Telegram channel, where we share expansive information and knowledge in the crypto system. Okay, see, I come your way again. I remain your man, Mr. Solution. Please subscribe to my channel.